In today's video, I will walk you through how to hide a sheet in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Google Sheets once your file is open. Look at the bottom of the screen where all your sheet tabs are displayed. Each tab represents a different sheet inside your spreadsheet. Find the sheet you want to hide and move your cursor over its tab at the bottom. Then, right-click on it or use a two-finger tap on a Mac trackpad to open the menu. From the menu, click Hide Sheet. The tab will instantly disappear from view, but the data is still there in your file. It's only hidden from the tab area. If you want to bring it back later, go to the bottom tab area and click the small icon with 3 horizontal lines next to your sheet tabs. This will open a list of all hidden sheets. From there, select the sheet you want to unhide, and it will immediately return to your tab bar. That's all you need to hide and unhide sheets in Google Sheets.